Biden leaves White House on 7 August for the first time since getting COVID-19 last month. United Liberation Front of Assam Independent calls for a shutdown in Assam and also urges people to boycott the occasion. Ending his most recent COVID-19 isolation, President Joe Biden on Sunday, that is on 7th of August, left the White House for the first time since becoming infected with the coronavirus last month, settling in for a reunion with First Lady Jill Biden in their home state of Delaware. The president had tested negative on Saturday, clearing the way to emerge from an isolation that lasted longer than expected because of the rebound case of the virus. The White House physician, Dr. Kevin O'Connor, had said in his last update that Biden, in an abundance of caution, will continue his strict isolation measures. Pending a second negative test, the White House on Sunday did not say whether the president had a second negative test and had not provided a new report from O'Connor since midday Saturday. "I'm feeling great," Biden said before boarding Marine One outside the White House. The Bidens were expected to spend the day in Rehoboth Beach, a popular vacation destination. Biden originally tested positive on July 21 and he began taking the antiviral medication, which is intended to decrease the likelihood of serious illness from the virus. According to his doctor, Biden's vital signs remained normal throughout his infection, but his symptoms included a runny nose, cough, sore throat, and body aches. After isolating for several days, Biden tested negative on July 26 and July 27 when he gave a speech in the Rose Garden, telling Americans they can live without fear of the virus if they get booster shots, test themselves for the virus if they become sick, and seek out treatments. Jameson Teron, report for International's Kirby Daily News. Days ahead of the 75th Independence Day celebration on 6th of August, the United Liberation Front of Assam Independent called for a shutdown in Assam and also urged people to boycott the occasion. As per the statement issued on Saturday, both Alpha I and the Jungyang faction of National Socialist Council of Nagalim Khaplang asked people in Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, and Meghalaya not to take part in fake Independence Day celebration. The statement mentioned that the shutdown will be from midnight of August 14 and will continue till 6 p.m. the next day. However, emergency departments, media, and religious activities will be exempted. Mentioning a decline in standards of living of people and a slowdown of the economy following the COVID-19 pandemic, the outfit said it was worthless to celebrate Independence Day. It is unfair, historically irrelevant, and worthless for a state which is unable to stand by the suffering in such a time of declining living standards to celebrate the 76th pretentious Independence Day, the statement read. Last year, for the first time in its 42-year-old, Alpha I had not boycotted Independence Day celebration or called for a ban to mark the occasion. Since its inception in 1979 with the aim of an armed struggle to create an independent Assam, Alpha has been boycotting Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations and also indulging in violent activities on those days. Jameson Teron report on 75th Independence Day in Northeast India, Kirby Daily News.